Go.
Hi, good day sir. Today I will show you the basic flips and techniques you can use in flaring for your routine. The first one is the front flip, the side flip, the hand roll, the rainbow pass, and waterfall, the bay and the back pass, the back flip, and boomerang. Yes, and the stall. And if you combine all of this, you can do your own routine. Here I go. Good day sir, today I will show you the techniques and flips you can use in your flaring routines.
Introduce yourself.
I am Earl Chris, ABS HM1A student. First flip is the front flip, the side flip, the hand roll, the fountain pass, the waterfall, the waterfall,